you can fix your iPhone getting stuck on white screen. Now before we start, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the reason your iPhone gets stuck on white screen is, first is a software glitch. Now if you have a glitch on your software, that might be the reason, and the other reason is that you have a defect or you have damaged your display. Now I'll teach you guys how to fix it. So first thing you'll need to do is force restart your iPhone. Now to force restart your iPhone, just press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, release the side button. After you do that, your iPhone will force restart and your glitch should go away. But if that does not help, what you can do is you need to just go and get your hardware checked. Take your phone to the nearest repair store, make sure that you trust the repair store, and change your display and your screen. It might cost a few bucks, but after you do that, your phone will get fixed and you can use it without the white screen. So that is all for the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.